Exchange.
What's up, guys? It's boy Russ again, back with another one. Get ready to jump at Raven. We get ready to take her for a much needed bath. Then we're gonna take her and get the Wickerbill installed, and we're gonna get the rear window spoiler. So stand by on that. But first, I have to remove this vinyl in order to put on the rear window spoiler. This thing is extremely dirty. We're gonna get it right. And now we got Raven all clean. Headed back to the crib. Get ready to link up with Infamous. We're going to install this Wickerbill. And we're going to install this window spoiler. Heartbreak. Oh man. These people cannot drive out here in Washington. It's crazy. But yeah, we get ready to get these things installed. Can't wait to see the final results. Like I said, next will be the lowering springs. Like I said, car reviews with Foos. He made a vlog on where I can go to get them installed for cheap. You know, I'm not trying to pay a crazy amount of money just to put some lowering springs on, like I said before. So yeah, we're gonna check that out. That's gonna be the next move. And I think I'm good until the fall. There may be a couple little things I might do, little tweaks here and there, but for the most part, I think I'm good until the fall. I mean, I done did all the minor things that you can do to it, you know, and we're just gonna focus more on meets and, you know, just getting out there with more YouTubers, doing a couple collab vlogs, things of that nature. I'm excited about that. Get ready to collab with 300 DOS. Yeah, we gonna do that. I'm gonna let him review the car. He just had an accident in his Mopar. He had a Chrysler 300. It was all decked out. You know how he wanted, and then got into an accident. And I told him, man, keep his head up. He gonna get something bigger and better. And that's the truth. You know what I mean? Cars come and go. And you always move on to something better. Shoot, if something happened in this car, I bet you $1,000. If I'm not in the track hawk, I'm definitely gonna be in another Hellcat. So, I mean, cars come and go, man. People don't remember that. So I'm gonna get back at you guys when I get back to the crib. As you guys can see, we got everything ready. Got the Wicker, got the window spoiler, got the window prep, remove the banner, got the second banner right here, got the J's in the background, you know I keep them clean. Infamous just pulled up, so yeah, we about to get this thing started. So we back, man. It's been an epic fail. As you guys can see, I got the rear window spoiler on. It looks pretty good. Super sturdy. That thing's not moving. But as you can see, I don't have a YouTube thing on there no more. I ended up messing it up. So I gotta order another one. At least I still got the front one. See, leaving. At least I still got the front one. But I'm gonna have to order a new sticker. Yeah. Pissed me off, man. So yeah, we're gonna get another one of those. I didn't put on the Wickerbill because the screws I have are like super small that came with it. So what I'm gonna do is he's gonna give me the rivets that he has a whole set of rivets for another Wickerbill. So I'm gonna take that and we're gonna get the rivet tool and then we're gonna put on the rivets and put on the actual Wickerbill. So for now, it's kind of a fail, but we're gonna get it on, man, within the next couple days. So the next thing that's gonna happen is gonna be the lowering springs for Raven. I'm gonna get those put on next. But like I said, we're gonna get that tool. We're gonna get those rivets. We're gonna put on the Wickerbill, hopefully within the next day or two. And yeah, we're gonna be right back at it, man. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. If you're a returning subscriber, like I said, I'm gonna keep reiterating, man, I thank you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are number one. So until the next one, peace.